let's see what we got here today. Okay, this is my MUBVIEW Smart Video Doorbell. I have one that is installed and it's never worked well, so I hope this one can replace it. I'm gonna go and take a look at it. Let me take the plastic wrapper. Hopefully it's the same mounting bracket, so I don't have to do anything else. I believe it's a little bigger, but we'll see what it is. If not, it's just 2 screws. It goes in here, maybe like that. It has a pin to secure it here. I'm gonna play with this a little bit later today. Oh. So I had this doorbell for MUBVIEW, and it's working fine, as you can see here in the video, but it doesn't ring inside, so I got an updated version of it, so we're gonna install this one and see if this works better. Let's see what we got in the box here. Here's the QR code, but we already have the app and everything, so we don't need it. Here's the indoor bell, basic tools that I don't think we're gonna need anyway. The battery's on. Let's try it on here. So that works. Now let's see how the replacement is gonna be. This is a little bit smaller, so let me try it here. Let's see if we can adjust the plate here. That's movable, so let me take it off first. So we got lucky, we didn't need to drill any more holes. And the camera fits there, but I believe it's not charged. So I think we're gonna have to do that first. So let me go to my app here, and I'm gonna, so that's me in the old camera, but I'm gonna delete this device, delete device. So now this one is off, and let's try to put this one on. So you see it works, you hear it. Oh, let me turn the other one off first so it doesn't read it. So the new one has this QR code. Let's see where that takes us. It says the battery is low, so that's what I suspected. So I'm gonna charge it a little more so we can have full charge of it. Okay, it's charging now. We'll wait for a full charge. So now it's blue. I assume that means it's already charged. So let's go outside and try to pair it with the app now. Oh, it's on now. And this one is also on, so let's see if we can find it here in the app. Let's see, find a device, add the device. So this one is wired video doorbell. It looks like this is the J9, let me see, J7. This one.
Please follow the instruction manual to power on the device. Press the bell button and tap next. Please reset the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds. Wait for the indicator light to flash red.
Okay, press the reset button. Well, it's flashing red here in the ring, so I assume that's it.
Select a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and enter your password.
I didn't set the password. Okay.
Please remove all film from the lens. Tap next to show a QR code and let your device scan the code.
So, following these instructions.
Connecting. Please wait a moment.
Okay, my camera. Done.
Put camera and phone at the place of camera installation. Press next to enter network diagnostic.
There it is. It's connected. So let's put it on their permanent place now. And it has a little screw there to secure it there. So here you go. Now we can see the same thing here. Check for updates. Doing an upgrade. Let's look for that little screw to secure it. It's asking me for a subscription plan that I'm not gonna do. So we're good to go, I think. So I follow these simple instructions. You press the setting button here, send the signal, and now we have it. So we're set. And the notification on the phone, so everything works. Nice upgrade with this MUBVIEW Smart Video Doorbell.